In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to check if a disk or drive is a GPT or MBR in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on Disk Management. In a while, you will be able to open up or bring up a new window which contains the disk management, where here you can see all of the hard drives, the drives that are present or that you have plugged in your Windows. So in order to check if your disk or drive is a GPT or MBR, all you need to do is you need to navigate here and make a right click and go with properties. The moment you bring it up, you would be able to see the properties of your disk. Here, you need to navigate with volumes, and there you can see partition style, where you can find out if you have GPT or MBR. So in my case, I have here a GPT, a guide or GUID partition table, which is a GPT. In that way, you will be able to find out if your disk is GPT or MBR. Another method that you can do is that you need to proceed here at the button search bar, and here, please type for CMD. Once you have find it, kindly wait until a best match would appear in this window before we proceed, which is the command prompt system. Okay, so once it's here, all you need to do is you need to navigate to the option called Run as Administrator. So please click on it, and eventually you would be able to receive a notification where your user. All you need to do is you need to click on yes so that you would be able to give permission and running the command prompt as administrator. Okay, so here in this window, you need to type for disk part. It is DISKPART, then click the enter key in your keyboard and wait until it would be ready for you again, and please type for a list space disk. It is list, then space, then dis key. Click the enter key, and in that way you would be able to find out if you have GPT or MBR. So it marked here GPT, and the disk 0, which is my local disk, is a GPT. Okay? So in that way, you have find out if your disk is GPT or MBR. So once you're good, close the window and that's it. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day.